Welcome to Driver's Therapy. Today we are going to show you how to put a custom image on your wallpaper in your NC1 NSX just like we did. Alright, to do this, the first thing we need to do is be in the home screen, so that's just pressing this and it will bring us home. Next we're going to go into Settings, and from Settings we're going to Clock/Info, and then Clock/Wallpaper Type. And in here we're going to switch over to the Wallpaper tab. And right now we've got the ones that come with the car, and we can also add new. So what we're going to do is we are going to insert a USB drive. All right, the USB port is in the glove box, so we'll go ahead and insert that right now. And it is in. Next we come back over here and we can say add new. That brings up our USB options. And in here I have several different versions. We learned that the resolution doesn't matter. I tested it a few times. All the other details can be found in the driver's manual. It includes such things as keeping it under 5 megabytes, having the right pixel ratios, and making sure that you load it to the root drive of the USB. Once it is up, you can go ahead and hit Start Import. Alright, now if we look in our Wallpaper tab, we have our new image, which we can preview. Looks amazing. And then we can say Set and OK. And now if we go home, we can view it by entering Info and looking at our Clock/Wallpaper. And there you have it, guys. Have a great one.